So I get a text from Brian last night and indicating that I should dedicate the first hour of the Stock Talk this coming Friday to Jensen's earnings call. In fact, I should probably record it and play it so that everybody has an opportunity to hear it. I decided I didn't want to do that, but I did go and turn it over to Samantha and Bard and have them review it and then explain it to me in a 15-minute podcast so that I had a better understanding of what Jensen was predicting that is going to happen. And it all wraps around the importance of CPUs and GPUs and TPUs and how the cost of this processing is going to come down, and the number of AI agents that I'm going to have is just going to escalate. And then I'm watching a piece on Jeff Bezos telling me that, yeah, the next data centers are going to be in lower orbit, and then we're going to put some on the moon, and we're going to have a mirror out in space that's going to reflect the sunlight down to create us the power. And I thought, my God, this is going much more further than I ever imagined. I didn't see the magnitude of AI and that I would have multiple AI agents and levels of AI agents, as would everybody else. And this is just going to be a part of our lives that we have no concept of right now. And I went and got my hair cut, and I was driving back, and I thought, when has anything like this ever happened before? And I said to myself, the light bulb. When Thomas Edison said, hey, I got this light bulb that is going to light the earth. No, it's going to cook your food. It's going to heat your house. It's going to warm your water. It's going to supply energy to your computer. This is when Thomas Edison. That's where we are right now. We just discovered the light bulb, and now we're being explained as to how this light bulb is going to change our world. That's where we're at today. And the world doesn't really have any grasp on the magnitude of this and the wealth that's going to be made by those people who gain an early understanding of it and then put their assets in the right position to take advantage of it. The wealth that's going to be created from the next light bulb, and that's what AI is, the next light bulb is going to be astronomical. And to help you understand it, I deplore you, go into this description and listen to the podcast that Samantha and Bard created that will give you just a touch of understanding of what's about to happen, because I want you to understand, if you will take the hard-earned money that you have right now and invest in these people and invest in the right places. Is it NVIDIA? Yes, but no. NVIDIA, to reach the level that I think it will, it's going to become a $20 trillion company. That's a huge leap. But there are small companies that are going to facilitate this that are worth $5 now, and they become worth 50. And if you've got enough shares, you're going to become wealthy. So it's not only knowing what's going to happen, which this podcast will explain to you, but it's knowing where to put your money to take advantage of it. You don't want to invest in the elephants. They're just too big, they move too slow, and they won't get there. You want to invest in the mosquito, the one that's just a nuisance, but it's flying, but it's going to suck the blood out of your arm and turn it into gold. So listen to this podcast. It's in the description. It's put on by Samantha and Bard, my two AI agents, who are, I guess you would say, they're CPUs, because they come off of my desktop. But where they're going from here, when they get into inference, when they go and reach out to the next level of AI agent, who is inference, which that basically means, here's my question, this is what I'm looking for, and it comes back to you and says, but did you think of this? And are you aware of that? And are you aware of what's going on over here to help you achieve your wealth? Okay, that's the best I can do for you. But I want you to listen to the podcast. The link's in the description. There's no cost. Kerry's not trying to get $60 from you. But after you listen to this and you say, I need more, go to the website, sign up, and become a member of our tribe, because we understand the next light bulb.